Alright guys, welcome back to another one of our videos in our series called 30-Day Crunch. Cranking one video a day every single day of December. In this video, we'll be discussing. This is a massive player here at Greystone, not only in the hardscape division, but also the eco division. We're constantly looking for new ways for the guys and team members to produce at their highest level, rewarding them as they've earned it, allowing them freedom to do what they want when they want, but also be regulated, and treating them exactly how I would want to be treated. We actually just took the guys out to lunch today. They loved it. Once a month, we have a little carne asada grill out at the shop. Guys pitch in with the food, helping cook and stuff like that, and that's just amazing. We hang out here on a Friday afternoon, 2-3 hours after they've clocked out, and just enjoy it. Hang out, get to know each other a little bit better, and laugh about all the stuff that happened this week. Our uniforms are huge here at Greystone. We have our symbol, our old symbol, and our new logo. We have Greystone, like this one. We have our hats, beanies, sombreros, the whole 9 yards. Everyone's matching. We have a couple different shirts as well that they can wear, and overall everyone loves wearing it, not only on the job site but also out in public. My favorite thing is when I run into one of the guys at the grocery store on the weekends or after work and they're wearing a Greystone hat, or their friends are wearing a Greystone hat. This is the culture that we've created with our main values and our mission to be the best hardscape outdoor living company in Charlotte, North Carolina. We want to be able to provide the best service to not only our clients, but our suppliers and our own team members as well. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's going to be a good one.